Hey all you lovely people, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I love creating DIYs, home decor, art and lifestyle videos, and in this video I'm creating 3 fall inspired DIYs which are super simple and very elegant looking for your fall decor. Also, I'm participating in the Fall DIY challenge hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. She's absolutely amazing and you should definitely check out her channel. I mentioned in the description box. Also check out all the other YouTubers fall videos in the playlist below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm creating a vintage pickup truck using cardboard. I love this truck a lot, but I could not find it anywhere near where I live, so I tried creating it using only cardboard. Firstly, I cut out the template on cardboard along with the wheels, and then I took a box and painted it in teal color. I'm painting the truck using teal chalk paint. You can use any color that you want. I did a good 2 coats of chalk paint for a good flawless finish. I colored the box teal too, and I glued the box to both the templates, and then glued the wheels in place like so. Then to create the body of the truck, I took some large popsicle sticks and cut it to size according to the truck. I covered all the sides with popsicle sticks for a neat look so that it doesn't look a lot cardboardy, and then I painted everything in teal. I also made some clay pumpkins using air dry clay and molded them using a sharp tool like so for the ridges, and then I glued the stalk to the base. It took around 24 hours for the pumpkins to dry out completely, and then I painted them using a white acrylic paint. You can also use white chalk paint. I also created a bunting using felt to decorate the truck and wrote fall on it. I also colored a popsicle stick in silver color to make it look like a metal sign, and I wrote farm fresh pumpkins on top and decorated it with my handmade pumpkins, and it is ready. The vintage truck looks so gorgeous and it is super sturdy. My daughter loves it and I'm so happy it turned out so nice. For the second DIY, I created a fall door tassel. It is so easy to make and it looks super amazing. I took a metal wire and inserted some wooden beads into it. Then I took a plaid ribbon and created a double bow and glued them together like so. I glued a large piece of ribbon at the base of the bow and then I trimmed both the ends. I created a tassel using orange twine and then I glued it to the base of the bow, and I also glued a wooden bead at the center of the bow to hide the metal wire. This door tassel is so gorgeous and it is super easy to make, and I think you should definitely give it a try making it. My third and final DIY for today is a best out of waste project. I had a medium sized yellow potato sack and I wanted to create something out of it. So I trimmed it into small square shapes and then into a size of 2 into 2 inches. You can take whatever size that you want to make into petals. I then folded the square into a triangle and scrunched it up like so to make it into a petal. I took a brown piece of felt and made it the base of the sunflower and glued all the petals to it like so. This step looks a bit complicated but is super simple. You only need to fold the first square into a triangle and then scrunch it up a few times and then bring both the ends together and then glue them to the base. Once all the petals are glued to the base, I cut out another piece of brown felt and I glued it to the back of the flower, and similarly I created two more sunflowers. Then I took a galvanized bucket and I put some foam pieces into it, and I glued the wooden dowels at the back of the sunflower and fixed it to the foam like so. Finally, I filled up the tub using some leftover brown felt and some pine cones, and then I decorated the bucket on the outside using a pumpkin printout. This sunflower bucket looks stunning and I'm so happy how all the 3 DIYs turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, happy crafting and take good care of yourself.